وسلم وبعد الله سبحانه وتعالى ابتدأ مجتبى في القرآن بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم آية يو envunula negamba nti mazima ddala allahu subhanahu wataala tasobola kubeera ng'akyusa embeera z'abantu okujjako bo bennyini nga basoose ne beekyusa embeera zaabwe bo bennyini nnyini. Kakati y'ensonga lwaki tuvuddeyo twogere ku mbeera eriwo mu busiraamu olunaku lw'olwaleero. Nabbi Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallama n'akutegeeza mu hadith n'atugamba nti man raa minkum munkara falyughayyirhu biyadihi faman lam yastati' fain lam yastati' fabilisanihi wain lam yastati' fabiqalbihi wadhalika ad'afu al-iman. Atugamba omubaka Nabbi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mazima ddala abasiraamu baba nga balabye embeera yonna etali nnungi ezze mu community batwale obuvunaanyizibwa bagijjewo n'omukono gwabwe. Bwe banaaba tebasobodde bagyogereko, bwe banaaba tebasobodde kugyogerako bagitamwe. Naye okutamwa obutamwa ekyo kya bukendeevu bwa imaani. Y'ensonga lwaki tuvuddeyo tulage obutali bumativu bwaffe ku nsonga eno egenda mu maaso kitebe ky'obusiraamu ekya Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rahim. My name is Ndaula Ali Sechanzi. I'm a former member of parliament for Bamunanika constituency. Now the chairman Luweero Muslim district under Uganda Muslim Supreme Council. Fellow Muslims in the country, tomorrow we are to present ourselves to Parliament and forward our petition as concerned Muslims. Allow me to read part of it verbatim. To the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, Honorable Anita Monji. This is a petition against the unlawful selection of Dr. Shaban Ramadan Mubajje as the Mufti of Uganda on 13th March 2025. Madam Speaker, we the undersigned members of the Muslim community in Uganda and leaders of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council in various capacities hereby petition your good office to intervene in the unlawful selection of Dr. Shaban Ramadan Mubajje as the Mufti of Uganda on 13th March 2025. Following the election of Sheikh Mubajje as the Mufti of Uganda on 11th December 2000, his leadership has been characterized by successes and challenges. However, his term of office came to an end on 12th March 2025 upon clocking 70 years of age. To our dismay and disappointment, the joint session comprised of the Majlis Ulama and the Executive Committee selected Sheikh Mubajje as the new Mufti effective 13th March 2025. Madam Speaker, you should recall that the government of Uganda, through Parliament, you preside over private huge sums of money to the tune of more than 2 billion for Uganda Muslim Supreme Council review process and subsequent elections of office bearers. Unfortunately, the unlawful selection of Sheikh Mubajje in total disregard of the Constitution as amended is a very serious disappointment that requires intervention of Parliament of Uganda.